Good day everyone! In this video, we will discuss about the introduction of inverse functions. We have defined before a relation to be a set of ordered pairs. Moreover, the set of the first coordinates or the x values is called the domain, and the set of the second coordinates or y values is called the range. Furthermore, we have also discussed about one-to-one correspondence and defined it to be a function in which for each value of y in the range of f, there is just one value of x in the domain of f such that y is equal to f of x. In this video, we will discuss about the inverse of a function. Inverse of a function. Reversing the domain and the range of a function will result to the inverse of the function. If f is a one-to-one function, then the inverse of f, denoted by f raised to -1, is the function formed by reversing all the ordered pairs in f. Thus, the inverse of a function is equal to y, x such that x, y is in f. With these definitions, the inverse of the function will have the following properties. Number 1, if the inverse of a function is 1-to-1, then the function is also 1-to-1. Number 2, the domain of the inverse of a function is equal to the range of the function. And finally, number 3, the range of the inverse of a function is equal to the domain of the function. Let us consider this example. Find the inverse of the function represented by the set of ordered pairs below. Remember that the inverse of the function is the reverse of the function in terms of the domain and the range. Meaning, to find the inverse of a function, we simply need to interchange the x value and the y value. So we will have 2, -1, -4, 3, -6, 5, 8, -7, and 10, -9. Therefore, the inverse of the given set of ordered pairs is 2, -1, -4, 3, -6, 5, 8, -7, and 10, -9. Going back to the given set of ordered pairs, the domain in this given set is the set of x values, which are -1, 3, 5, -7, and -9. And the range is the set of y values, such as 2, -4, -6, 8, and 10. On the other hand, the domain of the inverse is 2, -4, -6, 8, and 10. While the range is -1, 3, 5, -7, and -9. Notice that the domain of the function is equal to the range of the inverse. And the range of the function is equal to the domain of the inverse. Therefore, to find the inverse of a function given as a set of ordered pairs, we simply need to interchange the values of x and y. Let us have another one. Find the inverse of the function represented by the set of ordered pairs below. F is equal to the set of 11, negative 12, 13, negative 14, 15, negative 16, 17, negative 18, and 19, negative 20. Again, to solve for its inverse denoted by f raised to negative 1, what we need to do is simply interchange the values of x and y. So we will have the set of points negative 12, 11, negative 14, 13, negative 16, 15, negative 18, 17, and negative 20, 19. So this is the inverse of the given function. I hope that you have understood the lesson. For our next video, we will discuss about the inverse of one-to-one function. Thank you for listening and see you on our next discussion.